Ah, glass shard sound.
Down there. Right here. Right here.
Might not be that deep.
Nope, there's one right. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, there's definitely something there. I'll get up or something.
You're only about 4 feet deep.
Yeah.
But it's right here still. It's out. This one's really super soft there. But
Yeah.
right there, you hear the glass?
Okay, yep. Okay, well let's figure out the dimensions of it. We could probably dig that one and this one.
Yeah, that'd be it for
Okay.
today.
Yeah.
Wow. It's just, I can see it coming in from the side.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel. You might have to go rent a pump.
I think it is, Mark. It's not deep. That's it. I think it went the bottom. Just a little ashy. That's it.
Go ahead.
Sweetness.
Chocolate soup.
Papa.
Drinking glass.
Don't get cut.
Stolen one.
Common crock.
Yeah.
Cheese crock, butter crock.
There's a little plate glass down there. You don't need to get cut.
The little braille on the front side is not good. The braille reading on the back side is worse.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Another plain bottle.
Is that machine made?
Absolutely not.
Nope.
So it's an older bottle. What vintage would you say that is?
That is, it's a Benz.
It
It is embossed.
Oh, it is embossed on the bottom.
There's
yeah, out of Minneapolis, right?
St. Paul. There's an old St. Paul, Minnesota post for us.
Right.
Based.
No, he quit saying embossed because I can feel them.
And they're not.
Plain on one side.
Oh.
Plain on one side.
They're plain in Plainview.
Plain in Plainview. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You guys are just...
Another one.
Oh, well, but you hit the motherload there, I think. They're on top of each other.
Well, I guess be quiet because we'll hear.
Oh, okay.
We'll hear if we. I'll be quiet. Hear if you got one or not.
It's got writing on it.
It's got
Oh,
right.
yeah, it's got writing.
Writing on it.
Oh, but it's broke.
Oh, God.
What is it?
Landon and Burchard. It's full.
Oh, nice bottle.
It's not from Plainview.
It's John Damick, isn't it?
Nope. SLADE.
Oh, Winona.
Winona.
Well, it's not a bad bottle, huh?
No.
That's funny.
Nice.
ASO SLADE.
Cool. Nice bottle. Good work.
Yeah.
Edit it out or take the sound out of some of these clips.
Take the sound out of something.
Well, I will have to.
You have to. We're rotten, aren't we?
I know. It's like, why does the sound keep going in and out? What's wrong with that?
Oh, great. There's There's another plain bottle. Oh boy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
There you go. Perfect. No, you gotta act excited. I mean, it's like.
Yes, I do.
Oh, we'll put that in there. That'll be.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That was it? That was it?
Nice
Was that it?
bottle.
It's broken top, probably.
Oh.
Still a nice bottle. Wow, nice.
Lydia Stinkums. I knew it was big.
Maybe a Pinkums.
Ready hitting the water, huh?
Just.
Water. There's no water down here. No water down here.
I have a gift for you guys.
Go ahead. Hop on out of that mud hole. I'll go in there.
Whoa! It's gonna go over your boot. Careful.
Want me to get the
I think there's a couple more buckets maybe in the shed too, but I'm not sure.
Holy God.
That's-
It was muddy, it wasn't wet. It was just moist, you know, like that. Excuse me. I bet that one won't be near as bad. It'll just be a little wet at the top.
Which one?
Well, the one over here, because this is all the water in this whole block drains to here. Over there.
Probably.
Bottle that was sacrificed in the probing.
Oh, Mrs.
There's the
Well, that's a very one.
small
Mrs.
hole is the entry hole,
Bottle here,
the exit
Brian.
hole on the backside. ABC Bottling Company.
Original content.
Gonna take a sip there.
I don't
Mike,
know
here, whatever you got.
I think it's something you rub on your skin.
Oh, like
Keep
I
the
am.
rescue squad on standby
Yeah.
before you take a sip.
Yeah.
Label? Or is it
No.
Bottle dug out of the hole here with the original contents. Looks like this bottle's almost got flecks of gold in it.
I gotta dig it out first. That's the plate.
All right. Well, get out of your way. You can watch out for the little mud hole here. Go in there, get it close if you want, Greg.
I got
Here it is.
Oh, it does. Nice
Brian
bottle.
Burchard.
Nice bottle.
hold it up to the camera for him?
Nice bottle, dude. Beautiful.
What does it say on
Cold creatures now.
Well, there's something shallow here.